Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge people's face on CapCut PC. So it is better if it's like an image instead of a video, because it's just going to take a long time if it's a video. So I'm just going to select that. I'm going to select this as my face. It's going to be a little tricky because of the positioning, but I'm essentially going to choose mask circle, and I'm going to only select her face since I want to put it on her face. And I'm just going to feather it out, and I'm going to make it smaller again slightly, and I'm just going to scale it down, and I'm going to place it again. I did mention it is easier if there's like no hair on the person's, because it is hard to take out, but this is pretty okay. But again, it's not perfect. It is very unhinged. I mean, I guess I'll try to find another one that fits. This is a video, so it won't work. Okay, I'll just use this. It's fine. I'll use this part of her face, and then I'll freeze frame it. But you get the gist of what I'm trying to say and do. We only want the facial portion, and we're just going to feather that out so we can blend it in with someone else. I'll try this as well and freeze frame that. It's fine. And I'll add that on top of that. Go to basic and just scale it down, and hopefully attempt to fit it on her face. Again, it's not going to look super perfect than a photo editing app, but that's fine. I'll just adjust it a little bit here. And it is very unhinged. Of course, not a beautiful, perfect edit. You can add a filter on top just to blend that in a little bit more. But yeah, as you can see, you can still see some shadows over here as well. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope though this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!